Hello students, here's my next video on Unit 7 Reading 2, and in this video I'm going to look at the annotate. So now we have the three body sections, intro, body, and conclusion. And like I said in the last video, paragraphs 4 and 5, paragraph 5 is actually part body paragraph, part conclusion. So I didn't have time to write conclusion there, but I can put it here. So now I'm going to go back and I'll color in the thesis and body sentences. So in order to get my thesis, I had to really have a good understanding of the reading. Okay, I couldn't just read the intro and think, oh, first paragraph, last sentence, that's the thesis. So I already showed you where the thesis is. So now let's see if we can find some topic sentences. So most people would rather have something with newer design and they vote with their wallets. I think there are three reasons for this. I think this is still part of the thesis because they're going to develop three reasons. So first, lower prices. Let's put the body topic sentences in a different color. Let's use purple. So first, lower prices. Can we see a second? Second, increased wealth. And can we have a third? Yep, third, increased features. So all three of these develop the idea that people would rather have something new. So let's see what our supporting details are. And I can have maybe blue and make it skinny for my supporting details. So first, lower prices. Today, because of technology, it costs less to make items, so they sell for less. When the price difference is small, or when it costs more to fix an item than replace, consumers naturally decide to pick up a new one. Lots of us have done that in our paragraphs, in the writing class, different class. So second, increased wealth. People have more money than they did in the past. And because of lower prices, they can afford more things. So 100 years ago, most people had one or two sets of clothes. These clothes were valuable and expensive and formed a significant part of their budget, a big part of the budget. Now you can have a nice sweater for a few dollars. It isn't expensive at all. When that sweater gets a hole in it, you toss it and buy a new one because you can afford to. So this goes back to increased wealth. We have more money now than we used to. And so we buy more things. That's what Matt Anthony thinks. And third, increased features. So thanks to advances in technology, products are getting better, especially electronics. There's a good chance that the latest model includes some cool features that didn't exist when your old one was made, right? And then now you can get high definition. So these are all features of a new phone, for example. And so now we have our details for each body paragraph, body point. And then you see the benefit. This is the move on. Throw something out today. The throwaway society shows us how good things are. So he's saying it's a good thing, and the move on is go out and throw things away and go buy something new, which we might not agree with, but that's clearly his opinion. So what was really good about this reading is that even though there were paragraphs, it didn't help us like before. We really had to think about the purpose of a thesis, the purpose of a topic sentence, and the purpose of a detail to find them. They still came in the same order, but they weren't how we liked, right? So we have background, thesis, topic sentence, detail, topic sentence, detail, topic sentence, detail,